Hi there, everyone. This is certainly different than how Pack Expo usually operates, but we still appreciate your time and look forward to chatting with you after the demo. Feel free to ask any questions in the chat box, and I'll address them in the Q&A after the demo has concluded. While we're waiting for everyone to get settled in the chat room, I'd like to take a moment to tell you a bit about our company, Fallas Automation. Fallas Automation celebrated our 40th anniversary last year. Dedication to machine quality and customer service are key reasons Fallas has been successful for so long. Fallas started with semi-automatic case packers in the 1980s and adapted to the rapidly changing technologies and expanded our catalog of machinery. Today we provide fully integrated end-of-line case packing solutions for a variety of products, all with sophisticated yet simple technologies such as Industry 4.0, predictive maintenance, key state-of-the-art safety features, and more. Markets, machinery, and customer needs have changed. Our heritage of constructing machinery to the highest quality standards and providing the most value to our customers has stayed constant. One of our specialties is packaging rigid and semi-rigid containers. Product handling for rigid cartons and tubs is especially critical, as proper handling can prevent the risk of crushing, denting, and other unsightly product damage. Fallas Automation offers two machines for this application, both capable of lifting heavy payloads and many different configurations of products. The R400 is built to pack flexible lay-flat bags, cartons, and tubs, stand-up bags, and semi-rigid trays. The R400 is a 4-bar linkage-style robot with only one motor to drive both X and Y axis. The R400 features a 5-minute toolless changeover to minimize costly downtime and has a variety of end-of-arm tooling options available to pick many configurations of products. The R400 is mainly used for tall products such as stand-up cartons or bags. The R700R utilizes the revolutionary 4-axis out-of-bot robot designed and patented by Fallas Automation in 2005. Modifications to the existing R400 frame reduce the height by 30%. Allowing the case packer in spaces with low overhead. The shorter frame also allows for 15% more picks per minute, allowing Fallas Automation to keep up with customer increased demands. Easily change product configurations with the semi-automatic changeovers, interchangeable pick heads, and a variety of end-of-arm tooling to satisfy your case packing needs. These features also allow for future product development, ensuring that your equipment remains functional even as packaging trends change. Fallas Automation implements Internet of Things solutions to further ensure your system's longevity. With the remote connectivity enabled, Fallas technicians can perform quick programming updates as well as alerting you to predictive maintenance tasks to avoid costly unplanned downtime. Fallas Automation also offers automatic case erectors, case sealers, case vibrators, and conveyors, with upstream and downstream interface to ensure your system is running smoothly from the finished package to the sealed case. Finally, I would like to introduce the Fallas Duo. Retail-ready packaging and shelf-ready packaging have become more complex, with SKUs multiplying and space becoming a bigger concern than ever. Fallas Automation has listened to our customers and created a new machine to simplify factory processes. The Fallas Duo is compatible with any of the above solutions, as it is the first machine in the industry that is able to erect both RSCs and flat blanks on the same machine. This option is for companies who serve both big box retailers and food service, or desire added flexibility in their case packing lines. If you are thinking about implementing automation in your plant, don't put it off. Automating your end-of-line operations can be the single most important thing you can do to add consistency to your line, reduce product damage, and save money on personnel costs. So just get started. Think of one area in your plant that would benefit the most from automation, and schedule a custom consultation to find out how to increase your production and improve your bottom line. With that, I know we have had some questions entered into the chat, so let's address a few now.